AMSOIL engine and transmission flush helps restore fuel economy and increases operating efficiency and reduces emissions in gasoline and diesel engines and automatic transmissions. Its potent, detergent-based formula cleans sludge and deposit buildup, promoting reduced oil consumption. It's safe on parts and can be easily disposed of with waste oil. AMSOIL engine and transmission flush is ideal for vehicles with an unknown maintenance history or for vehicles that have used a low-quality lubricant for long periods. Restores vehicles to like new. New engines and transmissions run more efficiently, but over time they gather harmful deposits that cause power and performance loss. Stop-and-go driving, prolonged idling, short trips that do not allow the engine to reach full operating temperature, towing, the ingestion of airborne dirt, fuel dilution, water condensation and oxidized oil all can promote sludge buildup in motor oil and transmission fluid. As it settles, sludge clogs narrow oil passages, restricting oil flow to vital parts, especially the upper valve train area in transmissions. Deposits can form on clutch plates, causing hesitation and erratic shifting. Ultimately, clutch glazing can set in, reducing the life of the transmission. Deposits in engines and transmissions can accelerate wear, causing power loss and increased fuel consumption. AMSOIL engine and transmission flush benefits. AMSOIL engine and transmission flush is formulated to dissolve and disperses sludge, varnish and deposits in both engines and automatic transmissions. Thanks to its detergent-based formulation, it can be easily disposed of with waste oil, making it more user-friendly. Its advanced formula of light base oil technology and powerful detergents and dispersants provide safe cleaning action. AMSOIL engine and transmission flush is compatible with both petroleum and synthetic oils. Benefits for gasoline and diesel engines. Helps loosen sticky valves and rings, minimizing blow-by and reducing emissions. Helps quiet lifter noise. Promotes lower operating temperatures through sludge removal. Easy disposal. Benefits for automatic transmissions. Cleans deposits in oil cooler and ports. Helps unclog fluid passages. Cleans deposits and varnish from clutch plates, helping improve efficiency. Promotes smoother operation and transmission life through reduced shift delay. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL engine and transmission flush today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.